Welcome to another Keep the Fees tutorial. In this video, Sarah will guide you through setting up and managing the services section of our software. You'll learn how to create and customize services, set pricing, and even add consent form requirements.
This section is your services. Just to show how simple it is to edit and or create one of these, each one of them gets a title, gets a price. You can set a specific price to it, or you can have it grab the artist's hourly rate, and it'll multiply it by the duration of the service that you'll set below. Would you like it to require a consent form? Would you like your guests to be able to book it online? And does this specific item need sales tax? Here is a description of the service. Here is the ability to change the time block size. In addition to that, you can also set the duration up to 12 hours. And here is the buffer that you can create between your services to give yourself and or your artists a break between their sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to create and customize your services, visit our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. We look forward to helping you streamline your shop.